So I've just finished day 6 of insanity. Please pardon my hair. And I am now entitled to a legitimate rest day, unlike the accidental rest days that I've been taking of my own accord. Right. So now, day 6 was the plyometric cardio circuit, something where the whole heap are jumping. Okay. Shanti, there's one thing I want to say to you. I am not a giraffe. I am not a giraffe, and therefore there is no reason why it is that my foot and my bottom should be making contact with each other without any type of stress or struggle. Some of those machines that I see you have in that video there, like me just see whoop, 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 and it's foot that I see touching bottom. No. If God wanted my feet and my bottom to be in contact that regularly, I would have been born seated. Yes, I would have. So I don't know exactly what it is that you're going up against. And you see this thing where I see people near about to lick them in them chin? No, I'm not built like that. I'm not built like that. My knee, though, supposed to can come all the way up to my chin. No, that's not how it works. And Shanti, I want you to know that I'm onto you. I realize that every time I get to the end of a circuit, you put in some additional exercises. You think I don't realize? Because I know that after ski down, I'm supposed to get a break. But all of a sudden, ski downs pass, and now I'm doing football, wide stance and sprints and all of these things. All of a sudden, I'm doing punches, jabs, uppercuts, all of these types of things. What's that? What's that, Shanti? You told me I was going through the circuit 3 times, but by the time the little blue line reach up, you see when the blue line reach the top, when it reach full, that's when you lose your mind and start to come up with extra things. I'm not here for it, you know. I'm not here for you and this thing. No, I'm not here for it. I want to talk to you about it. And why you always ask me how I'm feeling? You know how I'm feeling. I'm on the verge of death. Why do you do this? Why do you play this twisted game? How are you guys feeling? They cannot speak. The people cannot even speak to respond to you because it is murder. Hmm? Anyways, I did all I could do. I actually found my foot coming close to my bottom, and by close I mean I managed to lift my foot past the opposite ankle, which for me is a very, 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 very big achievement. So, to me, tomorrow is my day off, and despite taking days off before this, I'm taking my day off. I will see you in a day or so.